Okay, so here what we're going to do is we are going to first simplify because remember, we want to get just x to a number in the numerator. So when we see this x, just one term in the denominator, that's going to tell us that we want to split up that fraction. So that's how we're going to get our individual terms where it is just one term of x to a power for each of those terms. So this is part of our simplification. We will have 3x cubed over x plus 6 over x dx. And we're just simplifying here to get that x to a number in the numerator. Then simplifying this, x cubed over x will just give us x squared. Now, you'll notice that the 6 over x, that is a red flag there because we know we have a separate rule when we see these x to the first in the denominator. So we do not move the x to the first up. What we're going to do is we're going to keep it as just 6 over x because we'll be using our natural log rule for that term. So for this first term, we're going to use our power rule. We'll add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. And then for the second term, because I have that x to the first, that's going to be my natural log absolute value of x. So in our second step here, we have simplified fully. We have two terms that we can integrate. And so we'll integrate. And that is when we are going to, when we start to apply these rules, we are going to lose that integral sign in the dx. So no more integral sign. For the first term, just add 1, divide by the new exponent. For the second term, the 6 tags along, and then that x in the denominator becomes natural log absolute value of x. And then of course we have the plus c. The 3's cross out and we get x cubed plus 6 natural log absolute value of x plus c as our final answer.